Imagine this. You're standing in an open field. Suddenly, the ground starts shaking. Trees begin to tremble. A shadow covers the sky. And then, a creature as tall as a 12-story building steps right in front of you. One stop, and the earth cracks. One roar, and the entire jungle goes silent. Not humans, not lions, but dinosaurs, the true rulers of our planet. We all know dinosaurs, but after watching movies like Jurassic World, who hasn't dreamed of seeing one in real life? Sadly, traveling millions of years back in time is impossible. But here's the thing. Dinosaurs hide secrets far more shocking than fiction. And when you learn the truth, you might realize something terrifying. Dinosaurs never completely disappeared. Today, we travel back to the age when Earth belonged to giants. Welcome to the world of dinosaurs. Before anything else, let's clear up the biggest question. What truly counts as a dinosaur? According to phylogenetic classification, modern birds and ancient triceratops share a common ancestor, which means birds are actually living dinosaurs. Yes, every pigeon you see is technically a dinosaur. British scientist Richard Owen described dinosaurs as descendants of Megalosaurus and Iguanodon. Scientifically, dinosaurs belong to Ornithischia and Saurischia. Simply put, dinosaurs are archosaurs whose body weight is supported mainly by their hind legs. Many people think pterosaurs, mosasaurs, ichthyosaurs, and plesiosaurs are dinosaurs. Wrong. They lived during the same time, but they are not dinosaurs. Their body structures are completely different. During the Mesozoic era, dinosaurs dominated the entire planet. By 2018, 900+ confirmed species, around 1,850 fossil species preserved. Scientists believe 75% fossils still undiscovered. Estimated total species, 3,400+. Think about that. We may only know half of dinosaur history. The rest is still buried underground. Here's something crazy. Thousands of years ago, people had already found dinosaur fossils, but they didn't know what they were. In China, they called them dragon bones, and unbelievably, they even used them as medicine. Meanwhile, in Europe, people thought they were giant human skeletons. Late 17th century England, the first Megalosaurus bone was discovered. William Buckland later officially identified it as a dinosaur. Then, in 1858, America discovered its first nearly complete skeleton, Hadrosaurus falci. And scientists realized something shocking. Not all dinosaurs walked on 4 legs. Some walked on 2. Everything changed when paleontologist John Ostrom discovered Deinonychus, a fast 2-legged predator. He proposed dinosaurs were warm-blooded, active, and intelligent, not slow, cold-blooded reptiles. This idea revolutionized science. In 1998, Italy, scientists found a fossil of Scipionyx samniticus, and inside it, they discovered intestines, colon, liver, muscles, and windpipe, soft tissues perfectly preserved for millions of years. Even today, it shocks scientists. Before dinosaurs, a massive extinction happened. The Permian extinction wiped out 96% marine life and 70% vertebrates. Then, 20 million years later, dinosaurs appeared. Early dinosaurs were small and bipedal. Examples: Lagarpaton, Lagosuchus. Modern scientists divide dinosaurs into two groups, Saurischia and Ornithischia. Even crocodiles belong to the Archosaur family. Tallest, Giraffatitan, 12 meters or 39 feet. Longest, Patagodotitan, 37 meters, or Argentinosaurus, 39.7 meters. Weight, up to 100,000 kilograms. Tallest ever, Sauroposeidon, 18 meters. Largest carnivore, Spinosaurus. Other massive predators, Giganotosaurus, Carcharodontosaurus, Tyrannosaurus, Therizinosaurus, Dinocyrus. Anchiornis huxley, only 34 centimeters long, just 110 grams, smaller than a pigeon. From giants to tiny bird-like hunters, dinosaurs came in all sizes. Dinosaurs weren't just monsters, they were social, moved in herds, hunted in packs, communicated with sounds, vision, crests, horns, feathers. Some were nocturnal. In the Gobi Desert, scientists found fossils of a velociraptor locked in battle with Protoceratops, frozen in combat. Proof of real dinosaur fights. In 1868, Thomas Huxley proposed a link between birds and dinosaurs. Later fossils showed 100+ anatomical similarities between theropods and birds. The conclusion? Dinosaurs never fully went extinct. They evolved. They survived. They are still here. Every bird you see is a living dinosaur. 65 million years ago, a 5 to 15 kilometer wide asteroid hit Earth. The result? Mega tsunamis, earthquakes, firestorms, acid rain, dark skies, ice age. Food chains collapsed. 76% of all species vanished, and the reign of dinosaurs finally ended. But next time you see a bird flying across the sky, remember, you're not just looking at a bird. You're looking at the last descendant of the greatest creatures ever to walk this planet. Dinosaurs may be gone, but their legacy is still alive.